Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. Click on the top right of the Discord to enter Discord, top right of the video to enter Discord. And by the way, there are 6 more days to enter the signals. I act very quickly for January 2024, New Year. I want you to be with me on the private. Okay, so yes, one of the video that I gave on the private, by the way, was Polkadot, which I was saying buy at 4.2, which was 1 month ago, and then right now Polkadot is nearly $10. So basically, look at that. I was even giving the prediction it's going to go to 10. I gave 3 coins. There are 2 more coins that has not moved, so basically you still have some time to check into that. Now there was some move yesterday for Luna Classic, and a lot of stop losses here. They were flushed away, and we are still maintaining. You see, this area has never been left. Yes, you did make one fake out here, and we talked about it. You went right inside it. You have touched this one so many times, and you touched it again so many times, and you have been holding it like a boss. And I told you the market cycle yesterday, okay? The market cycle still says you move up, you break the uptrend, you come down, you break the downtrend, you move sideways, potentially for a future move to the upside. A new week has already started. Today's Monday, so let's talk about the weekly as well. So here we are. So how did the weekly end for Luna Classic? Amazing. Good. I like it. Okay, everything that I was saying is pretty much playing out, and I'm going to tell you how. So I'm going to remove the arrows, and I'm going to remove the trend line that was broken, and look at the weekly candle. This is known as a spinning top. Okay, so you have a little bit of this evening star. It played out. You really pushed below the evening star, and I'm giving you the stop loss right over here, and surprisingly enough, that's also the bottom of your spinning top. So what is a spinning top? Basically, let's go on and do one more Google here. Actually, bullish spinning top is what's the name going to be, and here we are, something similar to this, I guess. You can see, here's your example. Okay, now it may be red, that's not an issue. Green, red, it doesn't matter. It just should look like a doji with long wicks, long head and a long tail. If they're long enough, well, it does qualify to be your spinning top, and we have so many examples. Here's another one. Okay, and we also have another one. Now you may say but it's bearish. No, it's bearish when it appears on top. You may even see this one appearing on the bottom here, so something very similar to this image right here on the right side. So spinning top like this, and then you start to move up. So I do expect this week to be absolutely green, okay, and maybe push back up. Maybe this is the week where you finally end up getting this 100%. It doesn't really hurt to try, because I told you, test your luck. This was 11% risk, okay, 11%. And I told you the money management. Go back into the video called Test Your Luck. Watch that video and try to trade it however you want to trade it by the end of the day, right? So that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.